Testing the smart contract using hard hat. Checklist. We will write testing using the hard hat framework and see how to run test on the smart contract. Open the hard hat project. In the hard hat config, change default network to the hard hat, as this will give us a one-time environment whenever we execute deployment or testing. Create a new folder named test and inside a new file named cert.test.js. First, import load fixture from the hard hat tools. Load fixture is a hard hat helper function that simplifies and optimizes test setup by executing a fixture or a setup function once and then resetting the blockchain state to that point for subsequent tests. Next, import chai, the testing library used by hard hat. Next, describe is a construct used to group various tests. First, we'll create the fixture function, which gets the first two accounts from hard hat, then deploy the set contract and return its instance. Next, we'll use the it construct to create a test. The first test is to check if the contract's admin is correct. When hard hat deploys a contract, it will use the first address unless specified otherwise. Here, we will check if the deployer and the first address are the same. First, get the contract instance and first account from the fixture function. Then use expect, which compare two values. We'll check if the deployer and the first address are the same. In the next test, we'll check if we are able to issue a new certificate. Run fixture, call issue with the certificate details, and we expect it to emit an event with the name issued and the following values for arguments. That does the checking based on the fact if the function execution emitted the intended event. Next, read function. First, we reset the blockchain state and get the contract instance from the fixture, issue a certificate, then retrieve it and compare the output results with the input. Next, we'll call the certificate issue function from the second address, which is not an admin. We expect the call to be reverted with the message access denied. Now, to execute the test, use the command npx hardhat test, and all tests performed as expected. That's it. Thank you.